These are really pretty and I don't know what they are.
Yeah.
Ijams Nature Center. Ooh, he found a sign that says what these are. What are they?
American beautyberry.
Bird berries, yum.
That one.
American beautyberry. Well, apparently birds are very fond of these.
What's you feeling about that little
Why
guy?
did that little guy have to move? Shoo! Shoo! Shoo!
That was great.
Shoo! Keep going. Oh, if you walk right here, it's going to come back. Just chill. Here we go. Huh.
There's the front of it right there, where it says Navitat.
What?
Right here. Yeah. This is the door that goes into it. So it's all through the trees here.
Oh, the Canopy Adventure. That way. This is really pretty back in here.
Light strong.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah, they're down there. I can hear them now.
Can't see much, but
Yeah. I think they may do this at night too, because of the light strong everywhere.
Yeah.
oh man, do we have to go down around that corner probably?
For what?
I think this is the best view you're gonna get of it.
Really?
So I think it's just this like area right here. You see they're strong all
Oh, I see that thing right there is a yeah, it's a
yeah.
Rope bridge.
yeah, it's a rope bridge. Let me get over here. Could just barely see him. He looks like he's hooking on.
He's gonna eventually come across to that one over there.
Mm-hmm. I think he's making his way over.
Come on, guy, you can do it. It's hard to see him up there in those trees. Oh, there goes one across over to here. It's a pretty slow course. It's not like some other you see where they zip. Ooh, here comes someone right at me. Was it fun?
Oh, that's awesome. That was a long one.
Pretty cool. That was pretty cool to see. Now let's go find Jeff. He started up already. Gosh. What is this place called, Melissa?
This is the Ijams Nature Center.
Okay.
And that is the, oh, what is it? Navi something.
I don't know, it's something about a canopy.
Yeah.
And this is where they have snakes. Okay, maybe it was just one and it was little, but now I gotta keep my eye open. Look who we found.
What?
How's the bench?
Not very comfortable.
All right, we're gonna take a walk down there. Joe's Grove. Cute little hobbit place. Frogs and newts. Spring peeper course. Frog. Oh, that's cool looking. What are those? Knees? They say these are knees.
Bald cypress knees.
Huh.
Can't read it, just too much shadow.
Our knees support us. How about yours?
More common near the Gulf Coast, bald cypresses are deciduous conifers that grow in seasonally wet and saturated soils of wetlands and swamps. They produce woody projections called knees above the normal water level, roughly vertical to the roots. It is generally believed that they anchor the tree in the soft, muddy soils near water.
That was the Ijams Nature area. Now where are we going, Melissa?
Need quarry.
What?
Need quarry.
Need quarry? We'll just see what we can find there. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We do hope you're enjoying sharing our travels with us.
And don't forget the thumbs up button and subscribe.
Have a great day, everybody.